Emma the elephant dreamed of creating a beautiful garden in her backyard. She gathered seeds, tools, and a watering can, excited to begin her project. Emma started planting the seeds, but the soil was too hard to dig. Feeling discouraged, she thought about giving up, but then decided to ask for help. Her friend, Oscar the owl, suggested using compost to soften the soil. Emma and Oscar worked together, mixing the compost into the soil. With the soil ready, Emma planted the seeds carefully. Days passed and nothing seemed to grow. Emma watered the plants daily, hoping for a change. One morning, she saw tiny sprouts emerging from the ground. Emma felt joyful but knew the journey wasn't over. She needed to protect the plants from pests. She built small fences around the plants and used natural repellents. Weeks later, vibrant flowers and healthy vegetables filled Emma's garden. Her hard work and persistence paid off, turning her dream into reality. Emma invited her friends to a garden party, sharing the fruits of her labor.